Hello everybody. Okay, so this is a 4-digit 7-segment, as you can see here. Okay, 4-digit because it has 1, 2, 3, and 4-digit. Okay, 7-segment because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You know, so and it's they are LED. Okay. So now what we're going to do, we're going to try to light up each LED with a respective position. So as you can see here, this is the way it works. So D1 is a digital 1, D2 is a digital 2, digital 3, and digital 4 at the bottom here, the last. Okay, as you can see. I already plugged them in. There are 12 pins it has at the bottom. So this is digital 4 and digital 1 and digital 2 and digital 3. All right. So remember, one thing how it works is it works like this. It's A, the first top one here, it's A, B, C, D, E, F. The middle one is G, and the dot, it's a DP. It's a decimal point. Okay. So this is as far as we got. Now, because to connect it to the, to control the pins with the Arduino Nano, which I'm going to use. The problem is that it requires a lot of wires, okay? It would be 12 wires, and then you would have to have 12 wires interconnected, maybe with another board here where you would put a small board, you see, where you would put a resistor in between, and then one wire comes on this side and a wire on that side. That would require 24 wire, which is too much. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a female and a male wire, and I plug the resistor in here, okay, in the wire. So I made them all like that, which is going to be easy to to manage. So what we're going to do, the idea is that we have plugged in first the digital number, digital 4, D4, which goes to pin 13. Okay, it does not, the digital pins do not need resistor, okay, only the other one needs the resistor. So we have a digital 1, which goes to pin 10, digital 2, which goes to Arduino pin 11, digital 4, which goes to pin 12, and then digital 3 goes to pin 12, and digital 4 goes to pin 13. Okay, got it. As you can see, apologize my voice, it's not that strong. All right, so what are we going to do now? I've got, we're going to start with A. So the pin number 2 of the Arduino, this is pin number 3, so this is pin number 2. Pin number 2 goes to next to D1 to A11. Okay, it's a pin A11. Zap. So as you can see, we've lit up number A, a letter A. So the top of it's A, then there is B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay. So it's flashing a little bit on the camera, but it's not flashing on the, let me see if I put the lights on. Okay, so all right, so now we go to pin number 3, which we're going to lit up B, the letter B. So it's A, it's already lit up, we're going for letter B. Okay, for letter B, we're going to do pin 3 of the Arduino, which is right next to pin 2 here. Okay, and because I already got the resistor, so it will be easy to manage it. And we're going to put it here, the last one of next to the P. There it is. It's up. So as you can see, this is B, letter B. Okay, so now we go to D4. So we're going to lit up C. Okay, so it's A, B, C. We're going to lit up this letter here, which is C, and that is pin number 4. Which pin number 4 goes to C4, which is, as you can see, I made a map here. C4 will be 1, 2, 3 on this side here. Okay, so it will be, actually best is from the D, which is here. It will be 1, 2, 3. Let's see if it lights up now. Yeah, it lights up. Boom, that works. So now we got A, B, C. Now we need to lit up, sorry, it's a bit. So now we need to lit up D. So letter D goes to, which would be, we did pin 2, 3, 4, 5. Pin 5, it's letter D, which is from C, pin 2 more, I think 2 more. C, 1, the 3 is a decimal, and D is 2. Okay, so it's 2 more there. No, that's, see, that's G. D is the bottom one. Sorry guys, because I'm a bit blind here. There it is, that's D. Okay, so we've lit up D now. Now we need to lit up, E and F. So here we go, E. Pin 6. Okay, so pin 6 goes to F. F is next to A. So we're going to put here, and we're going to lit up F. There it is, F, it's lit up. Okay, so we've done F now. So we need to lit up, sorry, we forgot, that's F here. We need to lit up letter E, which 6 should be E. You can do F after. Because this 6 is E, and E is the first one down here. There we are, that's E. And now we're going to do F, pin 7. So I've done all the top one. There we are. It's pin 7, as you can see. And now we do G, I think. It's G is D8 on the pin on the Arduino. G is, there we are, it's right before D4. There we are, G is done. There we are. That is G, and the 8 is completed. All we need now is a DP, the decimal point, which is will be on pin number 9. Pin number 9, and it's, there we are. And there is a decimal point. Okay. So with this, I've got a program that you actually can do it alive, and it will lit up all the number 8. It will lit up all the digital LEDs. So when you're just for showing that all the LED are on, and you can test it yourself while you put it on. Okay. So this is the way it works. So practically what happened now is that we are able to control what we want to do with this 7 segment by using Arduino Nano. Unfortunately, Arduino Nano hasn't got Wi-Fi. Otherwise, we could have sort of made an internet NTP clock, but we'll do that later with using ESP8266 or an ESP32 or something like that. So what are we going to do now with these? I think we're going to make a stopwatch or something like that, or run some toggle number to see if we have got it all right and the mapping is correct. So, and this is the code that will give you all the number 8, so you can lit it up. Sort of, easy to manage when it's on, where you see where you plug it in. They lit up the correct, according to the correct number. Okay, so now I'm going to open program and see if I got a stopwatch. Okay, so we've uploaded the stopwatch now. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's working. Okay, so here we are. This is a stopwatch. Now we can control it, as because we put all the we connected all the pin numbers correctly, so it's mapped. And you can see it's running, and this is the stopwatch code that I will also post this one on YouTube so you can play around with it. And from now on, you can make your own program, and you can use it like similar to this. If you don't have it, this is much easier to use. This is the same. Okay, it's got 4 digital pin, but it's only got 2 wire. And you can see it's the clock and the DIO. The DIO, I'm not 100% sure, but a DIO is a data. It's from A to G, and the DP. DP it's the decimal point, and A to G, and the clock is the 4 digital 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this, it's all compact. It's on this on this microcontroller, and there it is. And this is called TM1637. All right. And with this one, it's much easier to control because you also have less. But I wanted to know how it works, so that's why I did it differently. And I think everybody should know how it works. Particularly if you like this. If you're in the embedded system, I think it's nice to know about this program. And that's how you use it. Okay. So I think we've done everything now. I hope you enjoy. Please give me a thumbs up if you like. Okay. And later we'll try something else. We'll try to control it with the other system.